Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vacuum sealers available on the market right now. We'll dive deep into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make the right choice for your kitchen. All product links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the GJX Food Storage Vacuum Sealer Machine. This is our budget pick, coming in at just $29.98, and it offers a surprisingly solid set of features for the price. It boasts 75 kPa of suction power, which performs well for both dry and wet foods. The one-touch auto operation and digital countdown timer make it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. It includes 20 vacuum seal bags to get you started right out of the box. In terms of design, this vacuum sealer is compact and lightweight, measuring only 11.6 inches in length. It's perfect for those with limited counter space or anyone who needs a portable option. While it doesn't have advanced features like built-in bag cutters or double heat sealing, it gets the job done for basic food preservation tasks. It's especially great for sealing smaller items like snacks, fruits, or leftovers. That said, the GJX model does have some limitations. The suction power, while decent, may not be strong enough for bulkier or very moist foods. Additionally, the plastic construction feels less durable compared to higher-end models. But at this price point, it's hard to beat the value from occasional home use. If you're on a tight budget, this is a fantastic entry-level option. Coming in at number 4, we have the QGKeebs 95 kPa Vacuum Sealer Machine. This mid-range option offers a lot of versatility with its 10 different modes, including settings for dry, moist, and even extra moist foods. The 95 kPa double pump suction is impressive, providing a tight seal in just 8 to 18 seconds, which is significantly faster than many competitors. It also features a double heat sealing option for added durability, making it ideal for liquid-rich foods and larger items. The QGKeeb shines in design and usability. It includes a built-in bag cutter and storage compartment, which helps streamline the sealing process. The easy lock handle ensures a secure seal without requiring much effort, and the countdown display provides real-time feedback. Another standout feature is its continuous sealing capability, thanks to the integrated cooling system, making it perfect for heavy-duty use in commercial or bulk food prep settings. On the downside, this model is a bit bulky at 16.1 inches long, so it's not the best choice if you're short on counter space. Additionally, at $67.99, it's a bit pricier than basic models, which may not appeal to casual users. However, for those looking for a reliable and feature-rich sealer without breaking the bank, the QGKeeb is a strong contender. At number 3, we have the LKKNC 95 kPa Vacuum Sealer Machine, a commercial-grade option that delivers on both power and versatility. With 95 kPa suction power and a 130-watt motor, this vacuum sealer achieves airtight seals in just 8 to 18 seconds, making it 50% faster than many competitors. It offers 10 pre-programmed modes, including options for dry, moist, and extra moist foods, as well as a pulse function for delicate items. The double heat seal ensures airtight protection, making it ideal for sous vide cooking or long-term freezer storage. The build quality of the LKKNC is excellent, with a sturdy ABS plastic body and an ergonomic one-hand lock design. It features a built-in bag cutter and storage compartment for convenience, and the removable drip tray makes cleanup a breeze. The LED sealing progress indicator is another thoughtful touch that enhances the user experience. Additionally, the cooling system allows for continuous sealing without overheating, making it perfect for bulk sealing tasks. However, at $79.99, it's on the higher end of the mid-range category. While it's packed with features, casual users might find it more than they need. That said, if you're serious about food preservation and want a durable, high-performance machine, the LKKNC is a fantastic choice. Taking the number 2 spot is the Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer. This model is a favorite among avid home cooks, offering a powerful 130-watt double vacuum pump that ensures maximum air extraction even for larger or bulkier items. It comes with 3 sealing modes: dry, moist, and double, as well as adjustable pressure settings for normal or gentle sealing, making it versatile enough to handle everything from delicate pastries to juicy steaks. What sets the Nesco apart is its user-friendly design. The Easy Lock handle allows for smooth, one-handed operation, and the optional double heat seal adds an extra layer of security for liquid-based or moist foods. The built-in storage compartment and bag cutter are incredibly convenient for creating custom bag sizes, and the included starter kit of vacuum seal rolls is a nice bonus. At 15.75 inches long, it's compact enough for most kitchens while still feeling robust and durable. The main drawback here is the price. At $95.99, it's one of the more expensive options on this list. Additionally, while the build quality is excellent, the manual operation may not appeal to those who prefer fully automated machines. Still, for its performance, versatility, and reliability, the Nesco VS12 is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer Machine, the premium pick on our list. Priced at $99.99, this model delivers exceptional performance and convenience. Its automatic bag detection and sealing process make it incredibly simple to use. Just insert the bag, and the machine does the rest. The dual heat sealing strips ensure a consistent, airtight seal every time, and it's compatible with sous vide cooking, making it a favorite among culinary enthusiasts. The FoodSaver is packed with thoughtful features, including a built-in roll cutter for minimizing bag waste and a handheld vacuum accessory for sealing containers and jars. The package includes an impressive starter kit with a vacuum roll, pre-cut bags, and an accessory hose. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this machine is built to last and offers excellent value for its price. Its sleek black design is modern and will fit seamlessly into most kitchens. The only downside is the price. It's the most expensive option on our list. However, for those who value ease of use, durability, and versatility, the FoodSaver is worth the investment. Whether you're preserving leftovers, buying in bulk, or diving into sous vide cooking, this machine has you covered. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best vacuum sealer for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.